Finally, rather than hard selling products to your friends, just you need to get that out of your system. We have jobs to do. 3, 2, oh my god, I give up.
好腻。
I should just like open a bottle of wine already. Hi everybody, welcome back to Love and Share.
Hi.
Hi. So, okay, that was bad. I interrupted you.
Can we say
Okay.
Noel and call it, right?
No need
Hi.
lah. They know us
No need
already. Yeah.
Reinforce 嘛。
I should say I'm Noel, you're Paula, and then see if anybody catches that. There are 3 types of postings that you can choose from. You can mix and match them on a daily basis. Number 1, Facebook and IG stories. 救命啊！救命啊！救命啊！
发生什么事？
I can't talk today. Okay, there are 3 types to posting. Oh.
That's sort of like.
Can you move forward a bit? Like, I feel like I'm gigantic next to you. Like, can you
You're not
put your face forward?
gigantic.
I have to read the thing. I can't go back. Just do that. Just do that. Okay. Okay, just do that. Okay, can you stay there?
No.
Whatever, number 3.
That with this business, you can work whenever you like and whenever you work.
I'm trying to get more V out of my face. Okay.
Pushy is a good word, or hard selling is better.
That lah. You did a good job already. You want to do it again?
Hola.
You want to do it again?
Mola.
Okay, ready?
Do you want me to say like at the end and then I say like, oh, thanks Paula for all these tips, or it's not necessary?
Oh, cheesy!
Oh, okay. Fine. Fine.
Oh, thank you, Noel, for your sharing.
No, with the British accent.
Oh, I can't do a British accent. Never mind.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, Thomas, damn good, damn good, damn good, man, damn good. Okay.
We should do an episode with our British accent.
They were like unsubscribe.
Okay, hold on. Nothing. Pretend I didn't say anything.
Okay. For instance, Ruby Spa is my favorite product, and I share it daily on my IG story every night.
That's really good.
When I take off my makeup, I post on my profile page me holding the Lulu Spa and raving its results. Okay. 不要红脸，不要红脸，不要红脸，不可以红。Okay, we're almost there, guys.
好热啊。
Okay, okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. For instance, Lumi Spa is my. Stop it. Oh my god.
Cool down.